Hello, welcome to Dan Cave's Toy Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing Starcraft 2's Kerrigan, made by Blizzard Entertainment and DC Unlimited. So I'm just going to get her over here. Now, as you can see, she's a nice figure. She's more of a statue than a figure. Like, the only thing that really moves on her is this, and yeah. Oh yeah, and her one arm will move up and down, which doesn't really affect much. Now, I'll show you the details on her. So, right at the back, she has a nice little stand, which, if remember, looks like one of the old creep units. She stands on that. Looks like she's surfing on it, the way she stands on it. She comes with two, well, her little vestigial wings here, and they simply just plug into the back on her back right there. Now, I had to blow dry these to get them pop in. They're actually kind of hard to get in, and they're a little brittle, so you have to be very careful when you put them in. And yeah, that's about it. The face detail, see, pops out easy. Face detail is quite easy, pretty good on her. The actual wings, or whatever you want to call these, they flex here and here, and they position all around. So, it's a very good character if you want to, like, display her, and she can look like she's attacking someone, or something like that. There we go, see? Back to normal. I usually put her like this, so she looks like she's launching forward her blades. We could have this going behind her back, like little wings. And then she has her odd high heels here, which I thought was kind of a weird thing on her. I didn't realize that she was like that in the game. And this was released just before Starcraft 2 came out. So they did a 4-set piece. And I actually quite like them. They're very nice. I was very lucky to get them for the price I did. I don't think I could ever get that price over here. I'm overseas. But without further ado, I'll put the cheese wheel up so I can give you a proper review of her. Just gonna all raise her wings up so I can see the full splendor. Boop. Now let's see. A little bit. There we go. So it looks better. And that's it. So that is Kerrigan, made by Blizzard Entertainment and DC Unlimited. One time I've ever seen these toys made. Really nice figure. Well, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Dan Cave.